You ever wonder why some people make millions, while others can't even buy extra tuna? Here's the truth. Most humans are playing the wrong game. The real money is online, and I'm here to teach you exactly how to play it like a pro. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, digital products. I've got the claws, the hacks, and the tricks that turn clicks into cash. So, if you want to stop chasing pennies and start stacking dollars, you're in the right place. Welcome to Mr. Mio's Rich Tricks, the internet's smartest, sassiest, and most dangerously addictive money channel. But careful, once you know these tricks, there's no going back. Hit that subscribe button, smash that possum like, and let's get you paid. You ever wonder why some humans make millions from this, while you're still Googling how to pay rent with cat memes? Well, let me claw the truth out for you. First up, the skill hustlers, freelancers. They sell what's in their brain, not what's in their fridge. Writing, design, coding. If it can be emailed, it can be paid for. Then we've got the link lords, affiliate marketers. Drop a link, someone buys, you get a cut. Easy, right? Wrong. Pick products people actually want. Think tech, courses, maybe even a self-cleaning litter box. Digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. Ebooks, templates, courses. It's like owning an apartment that never needs repairs and always pays rent in PayPal deposits. And then the content kings and queens. Videos, posts, podcasts. Humans throw money at them through ads, sponsorships, merch. And most of them started with just a phone. All right, comment your biggest money dream. Be honest. And here's your challenge. Pick one method, try it for 3 days, and screenshot your progress. I dare you. Freelancers, link lords, digital landlords, content royalty. You don't need 9 lives to get rich, just one good strategy. Smash that possum like button, subscribe, and I'll spill more money secrets next time. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got affiliate links to drop.